Let's do this problem without the help of any of the manipulatives. We have 7/8 and 3/16. Do we have a common denominator? No. So these are going to have to get renamed. Let's take the larger number and see if we can do anything to 8 to make it a 16. Well, 2 times 8 is 16. So if we multiply this times 2, we'll get our common denominators of 16. This is a copy job. Just take 3 over. Calculation, 2 times 8 was 16, so 2 times 7 is 14. Now we're going to combine our numerators. Our denominators are the same, so we can copy it to our answer. 14 plus 3 more is 17. It's a top-heavy fraction. It's an improper fraction. So we're going to make a mixed number out of this. 16 will divide into 17 one whole time with 1/16 left over. 1/2, 6/7. We will need a common denominator. So we'll set up our paper. Look at the 7. Can we do anything to times 2 by to get a 7? No. We're going to move on then. 7, and the next multiple of 7 is 14. Is there anything we can do to 2 to make it a 14? Well, 2 times 7 is 14. Good. We've got our common denominator. That's our least common multiple. We can stop right there. Stop. You don't need to go any farther with your multiples because you've located the least common multiple that 2 and 7 share. All right, let's find out how our equivalent fractions look. What did you times 2 by to get 14? 2 times 7. So if the bottom number, the denominator, is multiplied by 7, the numerator has to be. 7 times 1 is 7. 1/2 is equivalent to 7/14. Here we multiplied 7 times 2 to get to 14. So we're going to use 2 again. 2 times 6 is 12. 6/7 is equivalent to 12/14. We had to cut both of our pieces, our halves and the sevenths, and we cut them into 14 pieces within the whole. Now we have common denominators, so let's copy it into our answer. And then we'll add the numerators. 7 plus 12 is 19. 19 is bigger than 14, so we've made an improper fraction. We are going to switch it and call it by a mixed number because it's too hard to understand what 19/14 is. But we could get one whole out of there. We can use up 14 of them. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There are 5 14ths left over. It still might not be too easy to understand 5 14ths. That's hard to visualize too, but you realize that it's a lot easier to think of one whole and 5 pieces left over than it is to think of 19 pieces just scattered all around. So our improper fraction was renamed to this mixed number.